Imagine your villa being surrounded by 10,000 plus trees and 7 forest inspired parks, creating landscapes like the Amazon rainforest, Daintree forest, Baobab forest, Yakushima forest, and few more. Imagine waking up with a better air quality and a more temperature controlled environment compared to other areas of Dubai, especially during the intense summers. You can own a villa in this community with a massive plot size. 4-bedroom plot size is starting 6,000 square feet. Investing here will multiply your returns, and living here will offer you a more cleaner, healthier, and a sustainable lifestyle. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukureja, your Dubai real estate expert, and in today's video I will be covering a very demanding villa community which is called Shobha Elwood, which is being developed by the most renowned and trusted developers of Dubai, that is Shobha Group. So in this video I will be covering the following topics. 1. About the developer, why should you consider Shobha? Second, location and connectivity of the project. Third, what makes the project unique? Fourth, what are the prices, sizes, payment plan and layouts of the project? And fifth, what kind of returns you can expect as an investor. I will also take you inside the Shobha Experience Center, where you can also see the kind of quality that they are using along with the brands, plus the layers that are there on the roof, the kind of layers on the floor plus on the external facade. So you can have a lot of idea about what they are actually going to use in your apartments. So first, let's discuss about the developer of the project, which is Shobha. So Shobha is in the market for more than 20 years. I am talking about Dubai real estate market. They have their experience in other countries as well, which is Oman and India. In terms of quality, Shobha is considered the best builder in the whole of Dubai. Their major focus is on tiny details of the apartment. So when you get the possession of your apartment, right before that you are invited to do the snagging to find any issues in the apartment. So when you go to do the snagging of Shobha apartments, you will try and find for hours to get even small mistakes in the apartment. You will not find. So that's how much detail they pay to your apartment before they hand it over to you. The next main thing is that Shobha is a backward integrated company, which means the construction, engineering, architecture and design is all in-house. So since everything is in-house, which means that the quality of the construction is under control, the delivery is under control, and the development, whatever they promise, they're able to deliver. Another great thing about Shobha is that it delivers all of its projects not on time but well before time. So you can expect roughly 4 to 6 months prior to the handover time to get the delivery of your projects. So if I tell you the delivery of this project is in December 2027, it means that you can expect the handover by July, August 2027. So that's few months prior, and accordingly you have to manage your finances. So you definitely do not need to worry about if they will deliver on time or not. They will deliver before time, definitely. Because of the kind of quality, it makes it very easy to rent or sell Shobha. So tenants are very happy living there and they continue renewing their contracts because they hardly face issues with respect to the apartment. Next, let's move to the location and connectivity of the project. Shobha Elwood is about 8 minutes from Dubai Outlet Mall, about 20 minutes from downtown Dubai, about 25 minutes from the existing DXB International Airport, and about 30 to 35 minutes from the upcoming International Al Maktoum Airport. Now let's see what makes this project so unique and what's the vision and theme behind this. So it's a beautiful community which is inspired by nature and the 4 elements of nature, which is greenery, water, air and earth. The villas are surrounded by over 10,000 trees, which means better and fresh air. The philosophy is of minimalist and modern designs that you get in the villas, which integrate well with the nature. 47% of the community is open space, which gives you a very peaceful and a pollution-free environment in a hustling and a bustling city. The community is inspired by 7 grand forest-inspired parks, the ones that I will show you in the upcoming slides. The air quality index here will be significantly better than in urban areas that would offer you cleaner and a healthier lifestyle. It's basically a wellness retreat which will connect you with nature without leaving the diversity. Each villa in the community will feature large floor-to-ceiling windows, high ceilings, modern aesthetics, and private pools. You get exclusive high-end amenities in the community, including clubhouse with high-end wellness and leisure facilities, dedicated sports venues for paddle, basketball, and skating. You get aqua experiences including lap pools, splash pads, and water sports, forest trails and jogging tracks across 416,000 square meters of open space, and of course the shopping centers, schools, and clinics within the community. So it's a self-sustaining township which is designed for those who want a balanced and a high quality lifestyle. So this is the model for the Shobha Elwood project. So I'll take you through where is what in this entire community. So first you have 4, 5 and 6 bedroom villas. So total size of the community is 10 million square feet. Out of that, roughly 70% is dedicated towards villas. Now if you see in this entire community of 7 million square feet, there are only 470 villas. So that means that maintains a lot of exclusivity for you, plus 47% of the entire land is dedicated only towards the open spaces, and you have 7 forest inspired parks in the community. Now as a result of them, you will be able to breathe clean air, you will be able to live a healthier lifestyle. The biggest concern for people living in Dubai is the temperature during the summers. Now imagine if you're living in this community, then you are surrounded by so many trees. That's almost 10,000 plus trees in this entire area right at your doorstep. So when you get out of your house, this is the kind of air that you get to breathe in because of this nature. Hence the entire temperature of the area is pretty much controlled during the entire summer solely because of the nature. You have everything that you would need in your daily life in this community. So you have about 2 mosques, one is here and the second one is here. This is your lagoon with a beach kind of a feeling. This would be your clubhouse with pool, gym, steam, sauna, etc. Moving further, that's your another clubhouse. Right across you have your skating park, sports court. You'll have your apartments coming up soon here. At the moment they've only launched half the villas. Moving further, that's another sports court. You have another kids play area. So not only this, even on this side you have multiple sports courts, kids play area here. So there's a lot of open space for your kids to enjoy as a family. So as I have already mentioned, this community is inspired by 7 forests of the world. Now I'll show you which forest is where. So this park in front of you, this is inspired by Amazon Raintree Forest, South America. This one, Yakushima Forest, Japan. Bristol Cone Forest, California. This one, Bauwiza Forest, Poland. This one, Baobab Forest, South Africa. So that park that you see there, that is inspired by Taiga Forest in Russia and Canada. And the one that you see which is right next to your amenities, that's inspired by Daintree Rainforest, Australia. Since it is a master community, you'll have everything of your daily needs, including supermarkets, numerous other amenities. Plus you'll also have a school coming up here along with some provision for medical as well. Right here you can see a big jogging track. Now that's going to be the Dubai Al-Ain Road, which is the major highway, and it connects you directly to this community. What's something unique about Shobha is that they show you what exactly goes behind the construction. So when you come here on the visit, I'll take you inside this experience studio where you can see exactly what they use, what kind of materials right at the back of the apartments. So you're exactly aware of what you're buying and what's going to be inside. And this is not usual when we buy other developers. So nobody shows you what goes on behind the back. I'll give you a glimpse of the kind of materials they are using. I won't be able to take you through the entire studio. As you see, this is going to be the external insulation facade system. Now here they use 100 millimeters thick rock wool, which helps in fire resistance and makes the entire wall stronger. Now this is not a mandate by the government, but Shobha does it. You can touch and feel the kind of cladding they use for external areas, and this is the dry cladding which they use for open spaces outside the apartments. So in flooring, Shobha uses 6 layers, while in other developers you'll only see 3 layers. Now if you see this black sheet, this is the acoustic rubber sheet which is used for noise cancellation. Usually you will find it in 5 and 7-star hotels, but Shobha does it for all of the apartments. Now that's the kind of MEP installation, and you can see everything behind the walls and transparently, and how neatly it is done. So the main door of the apartments is made up of the finest woods, which is the walnut wood, and the door comes with a thickness of 54 millimeters, which also means that if in case there is a fire in the apartment, this thickness will help you sustain the fire for 20 minutes. Now, if you would ever be worried about the noise in any of their apartments, so this is the balcony door. If somebody is standing that side and shouts, you will not be able to hear anything on this side. They use double glazed doors to help with noise cancellation. So when you visit, you can see everything, including the kind of tools that are being used for construction and the kind of brands which are associated with Shobha for everything, whether it's appliances, whether it's for fittings, anything. Now let's go to the data and first see the prices that you're getting in this community. So you have 4, 5 and 6 bed villas. 4 bedroom you can get around 8 million AD, 5 bedroom around 9.5 million AD, 6 bedroom around 12 million AD. All of these configurations come with a maid's room, plus you have a private pool in your villa. So the plot area for 4 bedroom is around 6,200 square feet and the built up is 5,000. For 5 bedroom villas, the plot is around 7,000 square feet and the built up is around 5,800. For 6 bedroom villas, the plot is around 8,200 square feet and the built up is around 7,200. Now, if you look at the other communities in Dubai where you're getting villas, you do not get this kind of a plot size. And this is the complaint by a lot of people who are planning to buy villas, that the plot size is very less. So in this community, you get this massive plot sizes. Hence, it's very easy to rent it out and sell it at an appreciation once it is handed over. The possession of the property is in June 2027. So as I said, it's being developed by Shobha and Shobha usually delivers early. Hence, you can expect the possession in almost 2 years, around March 2027. The payment plan is very good, which is 60-40. You pay 60% under construction, which is almost in 2 years. And post that you pay 40% on getting the keys of the property. So how the 60% is split is that you pay 20% down payment plus you pay 4% DLD fees, which is the government fees for registering your property in Dubai. So that is going to be the down payment. After that, you keep paying 10% every 6 months until the possession. So it's a very easy and a flexible payment plan. So the layouts of the project are outstanding. You have multiple types in 4 bedroom and 5 bedroom and 1 type in 6 bedroom villas. So you'll have your backyard and the pool right there on the ground floor along with 1 bedroom. 4 and 5 bedrooms will have G+1 plus roof and 6 bedrooms will have G+2 floors in the roof. All the villas are single row, which means you're not next to the second villa when you're sitting on your backyard or your front area. All the villas come with a rooftop access, which means you can go over to the top and have an overlook of the entire community surrounded by nature. So let's talk numbers. If you are an investor looking for one of the best investments in Dubai, this can be one of them. As you're already aware that villas are something that appreciate the most when we compare it with apartments or townhouses. So they are the best bets for capital appreciation, where you can expect the prices to even double. So let's say if you buy a villa for 10 million AD and you pay only 60% under construction, which is your 6 million AD. Now let's say that the appreciation is about 30%. So in that case, you make a profit of 3 million. Now you have only paid 6 million AD and you make a profit of 3 million on that 6 million, which is coming down to be more than 40% net appreciation on the paid up capital. Other reasons what makes it great for investment: one, of course, this project is a part of a master community by a great developer, so it's not a standalone villa. So we are aware of the market that the projects in the community appreciate and rent out more than standalone projects. Second, the sizes are great compared to what is being offered by the competitors. Third, you have an excellent builder that is building the entire community, and you get the best quality. Villas are high in demand and the supply is very less, hence there is shortage. Every day you might see multiple apartment launches coming up, but you would hardly find a villa launch even once in 3 weeks. So that's the kind of supply which we are facing here. Hence, lesser the supply, the shortage, and more the kind of capital appreciation that you get because of the demand. So it's definitely a great investment if you are an investor and you can go up to this budget. And if you are an end user, it's an outstanding product for you to live in. The prices, the size, the layouts, everything is great, and the kind of community that you're going to be living in. There are very few units in the community and the prices are massively increasing in the market overall. So if you are planning to buy a villa, it's the best time to get in touch. I will be able to share all details of this project, and if you're looking for other projects also in Dubai, connect with me now. My handles are given below, my WhatsApp link, Instagram and LinkedIn link. So reach out to me as early as possible and I'll help you with all of the details. I hope I was able to give you enough insights. This is Chelsea Kukreja signing off from today's video. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing, and I will come up with more communities and more projects.